gentlemen, the press.
You want barangay positions declared vacant and the officials replaced with your own appointees.
Sabi ko sa kanila, do not commit the mistake of calling for an elections now because narco-politics has entered into the mainstream of Philippine politics. We are looking for a way to appoint na lang the barangay captains, but the mechanism of how to go about it, select them. Ako, I can, but you know, it's always the president who has the power to appoint. But I'm going to compromise with the church and everybody. They can nominate 3 citizens from, pagka magsabi ang PDEA, pati ang police, and the military, that they have no connections with the rebels. That's one. Second is that they are not into drugs. And third is that they are not really the leaders of politicians. If you can have that list, I would be happy to just, coming from the Roman Catholic, from the Islam group, the Jehovah's Witnesses. It's not actually interference, it's the preference of the character that should be there. Eleksyon eh. Hindi naman sabihin nakikialam yung simbahan. And the Lions or lahat, lista mo lang yung accredited, they can nominate. So we can do away with shady characters. Pero pag ginawa mong eleksyon ngayon, ito ang mananalo, yung nasa listahan.